So today topic is that, or today concept is that special type of multiplication. Okay, so today topic is that how to solve the special type of multiplication subs. But before starting the video, if you are new in our channel, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, my Vedic Max book, for the latest updates. Okay, so let's start our today's topic. In our last lecture, we studied that first method, but in this video, you have to learn a second method of series of 9. Okay, in the previous lecture you learned how to solve series of 9 part 1, means method 1, and in this video method 2. But before starting the video, one important note is there: if you want a text solution, then check out the link in the description, my vedicmaxbook.blogspot.com. So today concept, special type of multiplication sums. Okay, so it is only then possible if the number of digit is right hand side, okay, means left hand side, equals to the number of 9 are right hand side, means when the number of left hand side is equals to 9 series, okay, means right hand side. For example, 642 into 9, okay, this kind of sums is called LHS not equal to, okay, add one time more, means 642, okay, into 9. This kind of sums is called LHS, means right left hand side is not equal to RHS, okay, when this and this sign are equal only, means 642 into 9. This kind of sum is called as LHS equals to RHS sums, okay, means in this video you have to learn, or you have to prepare that left hand side is equals to the 9 series, okay, means right hand side. So let's take an example of our today concept is 643 into 9, okay, means here the same digit are given where the 9 was given, means 3 digit multiply 9, okay. Now this can be solved in the just seconds time without suffix 0 and subtraction, okay, means in this video or in this lecture you can solve these sums in a few seconds without putting a 0, means suffix, okay, without putting suffix you can solve this kind of sums and without doing subtractions, means you have to can't do suffix or can't do subtraction directly, okay, directly you have to solve these sums. Now just subtract from the given number. For example, 643 is given, so do subtract -1, means our answer is 642. Now apply the complement of 9 in every digit, okay, means in the subtraction, okay, in the subtraction sums we have to complement of 10. What is complement? First I explain you. Complement means that here the number is given, okay, complement of 9, complement of 8, for that. For example, here I take 10, okay, what is complement of 10? Means complement of 10s, here is given one digit 5, okay, in the 5 which digit we add, then the answers comes 10, means in the 5 if 5 add, then the answers comes 10, means this 5 is the complement of 9, okay. I take one more example for the better explanations. Here the complement of 9 is given, okay. Now here digit was given 5, okay, 5 plus dash equals to 9, okay. In this space what we put, then the answers comes 9, okay, means here we put 4, okay, then the answers comes 9, means 4 is the complement of 9, okay, means in the 5 we add 4, then the answers comes 9, means 4 is the complement of 9, okay. But here now you have to solve. Means here the 643 number was given, so you have to find this 3 number complement. Okay, and you have to solve in a different way. Now here the 6 complement. What is the complement of 6? Okay, what is the complement of 6? Now the complement of 6 is 3. Means in the 6 we add 3, then the answers comes 9. Okay, now say 4. What is the complement of 4? We can add 4 and 5, then the answers comes 9. Okay, means how we can add any digit after 4, then the answers comes 9, means that digit is the complement of 9. Okay, now 2. Okay, what is the complement of 2? We can add here 7, then the answers comes 9, means 7 is the complement of 2. Okay, now combine this 6 digit, okay, and your answers comes 6,42,357 is your answer. Okay, how I combine these numbers? Means first you have to write these 3 numbers, then you have to write these 3 numbers. Okay, means when you're combining these 2 numbers, these 2 sides number, then the answers comes this. Okay, this is very simple method. If you understand this method, then you can't receive any kind of problem, okay, in these questions. Now let's take on another example where here 49 is given, means 9,999, and in before here 4 digit also given, 8,253. Okay, now just subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, means the question arises like this: to 8,252. Okay, means here I write this 8,252. If you focus in this video, then here in the video one mistake was there. Only for checking your brain power, okay, only for checking your brain power, I made here one mistake. Okay, for you, means when your mind is focused in this video 100%, then you understand one mistake here given in this question. Okay, if you understand that mistake, then comment me in the chat section. Okay, here the mistake was there. Here the question is saying that just subtract -1 from the given number. For example, here, okay, 8,253. But here I can't subtract the number and directly write the same digit. Okay, but here you have to write 8,252. Okay, I write here directly for its brain power. Now what is the complement of 8? The complement of 8 is 1. Means in the 8 we can add 1, then the answers comes 9. Means 1 is the complement of 8. Now what is the complement of 2? 7. Complement of 5? 4. And the complement of 2? 8. Okay, not 7, because for checking your brain I made here one mistake for you. Means here 8. No, it is wrong. Only I made here one mistake for you. Okay, but here the digit is right. Means this is the complement of these digits. Okay, means 8252. Means this 4 digit is the complement of this. Okay, now you can combining that 8 numbers digit, your answers comes like this. Okay, 82, 51, 17 and 47. Means this long digit is your answer of this multiplication sums. Okay, this is very easy multiplication sums. If you understand this kind of sums, then you never receive any kind of problem in the multiplication. Now let's take a big digit example. Means 9,000. Okay, 99,999, and here 75,483 into 9,999. Now subtract -1 from the given digit, and the complement of 9 you have to apply here. Now 7, 5, 4, 8 and 2. Okay. Here also for you checking your brain power, I made here one mistake. Here you have to can't write 3. Here you have to write 2. Why 2? Because you have to see this question. Okay. Now, next step. What is the complement of 7? 2, 5, 4, 4, 5, 8, 1 and 3, 7. Okay. Not 3, 2. Here you have to understand 2, not 3. Okay. Means this is the complement of this digit. Okay. Now you have to combine the 10 digit and your answers comes 75, 48, 22, 45 and 17. Means this is a long digit is your answer. Okay. Means you have to write first it, that, this, then you have to write this type. Okay, this side sums. Now let's take a different example. Okay, here in the starting I told you that you have to balance the left hand side and right hand side, but in this question this is in the form of unbalanced rule. Okay, so you have to first make in the balance rule. Means here we have to suffix 0 before the question. Okay, means here we have to write 0, 6, 43 into 9999. Okay, now this is in the form of the real left hand side and the right hand side sums. Okay, now you have to solve these sums. Now in this lecture you receive here 3 digit into 4 digit sums. So now what you have to do? Now in this problem the digit in the right hand side and left hand side are not equal. In this case you have to prefix 0 to left hand side number. So the balance it right hand side in the series of 9. Sign in the right hand side or left hand side is the 1 digit short. Okay, of right hand side in the 9 series. Just prefix 1 after 0 in the left hand side. Okay, these all lines I explain you now only. Okay, means here you have to balance the LHS or a LHS and RHS. Here in this question the LHS and the RHS are not equal. You have to do equal. Means how we can do equal? You have to suffix 0 in the before the question. Means 643 into 9999. Okay, now the problem appear like equal digit into equal digit 9. So now take or put 0 before 643. Means 0,643 into 9999. Now 0642. Okay, we have to subtract -1. Now complement of 0, 9, 6, 3, 4, 5, 2 and the complement of 2 is 7. Okay, now combining that 8 digit and your answers comes 06429357. This long digit is your answer. If you can check, then check by your simple Vedic max or a simple max. Your answers come like this. Now let's take a last example. Okay, 77,568 into 9,99,999. Okay, means here the LHS and the RHS are not equal. Okay, means you have to do first equal. Now here the 69 was given and here only 4 digit was given. So simply you have to put here 2 zeros before questions. Okay, means the question arises like this into 999999. Okay, like this. Prefix 2 zeros to left hand side number to balance to RHS, means right hand side number, series of 9. Okay, the question arises like this. Now you have to write in the means you have to find your complement. So write in the line 00756 okay, the complement of 0, 9, 0, 9, 7, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3 and 7 2. Okay, now combining that the all numbers, your answers come 7567992432. Means this is long digit is your answer. How we can find the answer? Combining of these two rows. Okay, how we can combine? Now simply first you have to add this, then this. Okay, when this whole line was complete, then you have to start this line. Means 9 9 2 4 3 2. That you have to write in the row. Okay, means like this. You have to write in the row. Means this long digit is your answer. Now, what you learned from this lecture? You learned from this lecture that how to solve the special multiplication sums. Means left hand side equals to right hand side. Sums when the unbalanced digit we have to do a balanced digit. Okay, you have to learn in the next lecture. You have to learn in next lecture that how to solve a series of one number digit. So stay here till to end. My Vedic Maths book. One important notice there. If you want a text solution, then check out our link in the description. myvedicmathsbook.blogspot.com. So hello students, I hope you learned some new things from this video. Then subscribe to our channel.